Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to calculate calories with Myfitnesspal. So you should have Myfitnesspal in your smartphone for uh, to input your or to insert your calories and to calculate them. We are just going to use a part or a little application or add-on on their website. So go to your web browser and or search in browser and click my fitness pal calculator. In here we will have this BMR calculator. So I'm going to calculate uh, my BMR so I can find my calories, and also you can change the units. For example, if you are using the imperial system, just put or fill in your informations, or change the unit to the metric system if you want to. So let's just type some informations, some random one. Let's just have it. The age will be, for example, 24, and calculate. Now my BMR calculator is, or my estimated BMR is 160 calories per day. So now this is my BMR calories. So you should add your activity calories on them to have like a maintenance calories intake or energy balance. So then you go to the application here, and we will go to the goals here. After going to the more menu or the more option, go to the goals, and we will go to the nutrition goals, and we will put the calories that we want. And now you can start tracking your calories in food with MyFitnessPal application. So basically this is how you calculate your calories with MyFitnessPal. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.